Rob Solomon is an attorney at my office, and he does landlord-tenant work, among other things. And Rob, more and more these days, I'm getting a question that comes from the landlord, and the question is, how much security deposit can I charge to a tenant? So I thought you could answer that for us, for our listeners today.
Sure. Well, it is, I guess, traditional or conventional to charge 1 month as a security deposit, but that is not a matter of law. That's just a matter of convention. And when I do landlord-tenant seminars, which I do monthly, I advise landlords to collect more than that. That really is security against any breach, and the most likely one would be a failure to pay rent. So, in effect, you can charge whatever the market will bear. You could get 1 month, you could get 2 months or more. So it's good practice if you're a landlord to make that a substantial sum of money, because there's nothing that's going to protect your interest better than a security deposit.
Very good. We appreciate it. That's Rob Solomon. He's an attorney at my office here in Orlando.